Chapter 4. Working of a computer. Learning outcomes. At the end of this chapter, students will be able to understand how a computer system works, explain an IPO cycle, explain the input, output and processing of the computer. Write down the merits and demerits of a computer. Warm up. Match the following. Match doctor with the hospital. Match teacher with the school. Match painter with the canvas. Match engineer with the building. Teacher's note. Elucidate the students about the profession of different people. Do you know how a task is completed? First step is to get instructions to do a task. Then to think how it can be completed. Final step to finish the task. A computer system also works in the same process. Let us take an example. Your teacher asks you to write down your homework in your diary. We follow the commands given by the teacher and write our homework in a diary. Let me answer. What do you mean by commands? Similarly, the computer also works on the commands given to it. A computer system completes any task given to it by IPO cycle. Full form of IPO is input, process, output. Let us try to understand by taking an example. Task: making of mixed fruit juice. Now in the above example, the ingredients required to make the juice like apple, pineapple, orange and pomegranate are the input. The process will be placing all the ingredients into a juicer jar. And the output will be a glass of fresh mixed fruit juice. Similarly, to perform any task, a computer has to go through the following three processes: input, process, output. These three processes together are called IPO. Now let us understand the working of the IPO cycle by explaining each process. Input: the data and commands given to the computer by the instructor are called input. There are two ways of giving command to the computer, one by clicking by the mouse and the other by typing with the keyboard. Process: whenever data is entered into the computer, it is sent to the CPU. It processes the data and commands and gives the result. This is called processing of data. Output: the result of the process is displayed on various output devices like monitor, printer, etc. Let us take another example of how scanning of a document takes place through a scanner. Input: the document we want to scan is the input. Process: the activity of putting documents on the scanner is the process. Output: the result of the process is displayed on the monitor screen is called as output. Problem: multiply the given number 14, 2 and 3. Input: the first step is to enter the data into the computer. Example 14, 2 and 3. Process: then on the given set of commands, CPU processes the data. Example 14 into 2 into 3. Let me answer. How much time does a computer take to follow the command? Output: final result is displayed on the monitor screen. Result is 84. Do you know people who work with the computers are called livewares? Merits of a computer. A computer has following merits: speed. A computer is a very fast device. It is capable of processing a large amount of data in very less time. Storage. A computer has much more storage capacity than humans. It can store videos, text, audio in large amounts. Reliability. A computer is a reliable machine and designed to make maintenance easy. Accuracy. A computer performs all tasks with 100% accuracy. Versatility. A computer can perform a wide variety of tasks. Diligence. Unlike human, a computer is free from monotony and tiredness. It can perform repeated tasks with accuracy. Multitasking. A computer can perform multiple tasks at one time. Demerits of a computer. Poor eyesight. Using computers for too much time can lead to health problems like poor eyesight. Lack of intelligence. A computer does not have as much intelligence as humans have. Kids IQ. Can you find some more disadvantages of a computer? Let's recall. A computer performs any task by IPO cycle, that stands for input, process, output. The instructions of data fed into the computer are called input. Storage, speed, and accuracy are the few advantages of a computer. Poor eyesight and lack of intelligence are the disadvantages of a computer. Upskill your intelligence. A. Complete the following IPO cycle. Answer. Do it yourself. B. Tick the correct answers. 1. CPU is used for which purpose? A. Input. B. Process. C. Output. Answer. B. Process. 2. Dash means a computer can do repeated work with the same accuracy. A. Multitasking. B. Diligence. C. Accuracy. Answer. C. Accuracy. 3. The result of the process on the monitor screen is called dash. A. Process. B. Output. C. Input. Answer. B. Output. 4. A computer does not make any dash. A. Mistake. B. Accuracy. C. Processing. Answer. A. Mistake. 5. We can see the output on the A. Keyboard. B. Monitor. C. Mouse. Answer. B. Monitor. C. Answer the following questions. 1. Why is a computer called a multitasking device? Answer. The running of multiple programs, set of instructions in one computer at the same time. 2. Explain IPO cycle with the help of an example. Answer. Example. Making of mixed fruit juice now. In the above example, the ingredients required to make the juice like apple, pineapple, orange and pomegranate are the input. The process will be placing all the ingredients into a juicer jar, and the output will be a glass of fresh mixed fruit juice. Similarly, to perform any task, a computer has to go through the different 3 processes: input, process, output. These 3 processes together are called IPO. 3. State any 2 advantages of a computer. Answer. Speed. A computer is a very fast device. It is capable of processing a large amount of data in very less time. Storage. A computer has much more storage capacity than humans. It can store videos, text, audio in large amounts. Reliability. A computer is a reliable machine and designed to make maintenance easy. 4. List any 3 disadvantages of a computer. Poor eyesight and lack of intelligence are the disadvantage of a computer. D. Write T for true statements and F for false statements. 1. A computer does not perform all tasks with 100% accuracy. Answer: false. 2. Output is shown on the monitor and printer. Answer: true. 3. A computer works on the IPO cycle. Answer: true. 4th, lack of intelligence is a disadvantage of computers. Answer: false. Critical thinking. A. Complete the following advantage and disadvantages of a computer. Answer: 1. Diligence. 2. Poor eyesight. 3. Storage. 4. Multitasking. B. Harsh wants to move a file from the desktop to a folder. List the steps included in the process. Answer: do it yourself. Teamwork. A. A computer has so many advantages and disadvantages. Type them in a notepad and save it on the desktop. Take a printout with the help of your teacher and paste it in the space provided below. Answer: do it yourself.